Can you eat sweet fruits without worrying about blood sugar levels? Really? Check out these 5 doctor-approved fruits for diabetics. It may sound unbelievable, but there are sweet fruits that are not only delicious but also effective in controlling blood sugar levels. Do you want to know which ones are? Diabetes doesn't mean you have to give up all your favorite foods, especially sweet fruits. However, not all fruits are suitable for diabetics. In this video, we will explore 5 sweet fruits that are recommended by doctors to help control blood sugar levels without worrying about high blood sugar levels. Please watch the final video to learn more about how to transform these fruits to be both delicious and healthy. Don't miss it. Number 1, watermelon, sweet but safe. Sauna is not only a great summertime treat, but also a great option for people with diabetes. Despite its sweet taste, honey has very little sugar, with only about 5 grams of sugar per 100 grams of honey. This helps it to solidify slowly without increasing blood sugar levels after eating, as it has a low glycemic index, GI, an important factor in controlling diabetes. One of the reasons why it is an ideal choice is because it is mostly water, which helps hydrate the body and keeps you feeling fresh. In addition, evolution is rich in vitamins A, C and antioxidants such as lycopene, which help protect the body from free radical damage, support cardiovascular health and beautify the skin. Lycopene in soap is especially prominent for its anti-inflammatory properties and protects cells from carcinogens. For people with diabetes, watermelon is not only an appetizer but also a source of fiber and nutrients needed for the body without increasing blood pressure. Plus, evolution helps you feel fuller for longer, which helps reduce the feeling of hunger, an important factor in weight control and maintaining stable blood sugar. Although evolution is a safe unit, you still need to eat in moderation to maintain nutritional balance. If you eat too much, the slow-acting natural sugars can still have an impact on blood sugar. Number 2, grapefruit, provides vitamin C and lowers blood sugar. Grapefruit is a great choice for people with diabetes because in addition to its cool taste, it is also rich in vitamin C, potassium and fiber. This helps boost the immune system, improve heart health and support the digestive process. One of the important factors that makes grapefruit an ideal food for people with diabetes is its very low glycemic index, GI, which means that grapefruit does not cause a rapid increase in blood sugar after eating. Recent research has shown that regular consumption of grapefruit can help reduce insulin levels in the blood, thereby improving blood sugar control for people with diabetes. Specifically, grapefruit helps reduce insulin resistance, a common problem in type 2 diabetes patients. Eating grapefruit helps maintain stable blood sugar and reduces the risk of developing complications of diabetes. In addition to the benefits of blood sugar control, grapefruit also supports the digestive system very well thanks to its high fiber content. The fiber in grapefruit helps slow down the absorption of sugar in the body, thereby minimizing sudden increases in blood pressure. Grapefruit also has the ability to reduce the feeling of fullness. The combination of water and fiber helps you feel full longer and makes it easier to maintain a healthy diet. However, if you are taking diabetes medications, especially drugs in the statin group or enzyme inhibitors, you should consult your doctor before adding grapefruit to your diet. Grapefruit can interact with many medications, changing how well they work. So make sure that consuming grapefruit does not interfere with your treatment. Number 3, apples, high in fiber, helps control blood sugar. Apples are not only an easy-to-eat fruit but also a smart choice for people with diabetes. With a high soluble fiber content, apples help slow down the absorption of sugar into the blood, thereby helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. A medium apple has only about 15 to 20 grams of carbohydrates and very little sugar, helping to control blood sugar without causing a sudden increase in blood sugar. In particular, apples are a rich source of flavonoid antioxidants. These compounds have the ability to protect cells from damage by free radicals, while improving cardiovascular health, an important factor for people with diabetes. Studies have shown that flavonoids in apples can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, a common problem in people with diabetes due to unstable blood sugar levels. In addition to being good for blood sugar control, apples also support the digestive system thanks to the amount of soluble and insoluble fiber in the skin and flesh of the fruit. These fibers not only help slow down the absorption of sugar but also help increase intestinal activity, reduce the risk of constipation and maintain a healthy digestive system. Apples are easy to eat and can be combined with many other dishes, bringing variety to your daily diet. You can eat fresh apples, cut them into small slices to eat as a snack, or add them to salads to add flavor and health benefits. A little tip is that you can combine apples with nuts or low-fat cheese to create a perfect, nutritious snack that still helps control blood sugar effectively. However, when eating apples, you also need to pay attention not to eat too much at once. Although apples are a very healthy fruit, eating too much can cause weight gain and affect the process of controlling blood sugar. Eat apples in moderation and combine them with a balanced diet to achieve the best results in managing diabetes. Number 4, berries, strawberries, wild berries, raspberries, sweet fruits but low in sugar. Berries such as strawberries, wild strawberries, raspberries, are great choices for those with diabetes. These small fruits are not only delicious but also contain very little sugar, but are rich in fiber and vitamin C, bringing many health benefits. In addition, the fiber in berries helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the blood, thereby supporting blood sugar control. Research has shown that berries can help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, levels and improve heart health. This is especially important for people with diabetes, as they are at high risk of cardiovascular disease. Berries have a very low glycemic index, which helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar after eating. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels can reduce the risk of diabetes complications, especially cardiovascular problems. Another plus is that berries are very versatile in preparation. You can eat them fresh, mix them with yogurt for a nutritious snack, or make smoothies for added deliciousness. Using berries in dishes will not only help you control your blood sugar but also improve your health thanks to the high vitamin C content, which helps strengthen the immune system and protect the body from pathogens. Although very beneficial, you should also eat them reasonably and not abuse them, because although berries are low in sugar, eating too much can still affect your blood sugar levels. However, with outstanding benefits and versatility in preparation, berries are definitely an indispensable part of the diabetic diet. Number 5, pears, sweet and rich in fiber. Pears are not only a sweet fruit but also rich in fiber, making them an ideal choice for people with diabetes. An average pear contains about 17 grams of carbohydrates, but most of it is fiber, which helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the blood, thereby supporting effective blood sugar control. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels throughout the day is very important for people with diabetes, as it helps minimize the risk of complications and maintain long-term health. Pears are also an excellent source of vitamin C, which protects immune health and reduces inflammation. This is especially helpful for people with diabetes, as they often face inflammation problems. In addition, vitamin C also helps improve skin health and strengthen the body's resistance. You can enjoy fresh pears, or process them into desserts and mixed salads to make them more attractive. With its sweet taste and versatility, pears are a great addition to your daily diet without worrying about affecting your blood sugar levels. However, eat them in moderation to ensure a balanced diet. Although these fruits are all recommended by doctors and are safe for diabetics, when eating fruit, you need to pay attention to a few things to effectively control blood sugar. Fruit, no matter what advantages it has, still contains a certain amount of sugar, so you should eat a moderate amount and monitor your blood sugar levels regularly to avoid unwanted fluctuations. Besides, canned or dried fruits often contain a lot of added sugar, which is not good for diabetics, so choose fresh whole fruits to ensure you get all the natural nutrients without increasing blood sugar. Fruit is not all you need, so combine it with other foods such as green vegetables, whole grains, and healthy protein sources to maintain a balanced diet, helping to control blood sugar better. Finally, if you have any questions about incorporating fruits into your diet, do not hesitate to consult your doctor or nutritionist for accurate and appropriate advice for your health condition. When you choose the right sweet fruits, not only will you be able to enjoy your favorite foods comfortably, but you will also be able to control your blood sugar levels effectively. These fruits are not only approved by doctors but also bring many benefits to your overall health. Maintaining healthy eating habits, combined with adding these fruits to your daily diet, will help you feel comfortable while still protecting your health. Try applying them and feel the positive changes in your body. Wish you good health, and don't forget to continue following the next useful shares, so that I can accompany you on your journey to fight diabetes effectively and easily.